The U.S. livestock industry is home to an impressive 5.2 million sheep, a number that reflects the enduring dedication of American ranchers to this traditional practice. In the United States, sheep farming, or sheep husbandry as it's often called, has deep roots, going back to the days of early settlers. Today, the vast majority of these sheep are raised for meat, with lamb being a popular dish enjoyed across the country. However, about 17% of U.S. sheep are raised specifically for wool, valued for its warmth, durability, and natural elasticity. Unlike countries like Australia and New Zealand, where sheep are predominantly bred for high-quality wool, the American focus has largely been on meat production. Yet the wool industry still thrives, thanks to merino sheep, a breed renowned for their eco-friendly, soft, and resilient wool. From the shearing process, which involves carefully removing wool from the sheep, to its transformation into luxurious yarns and textiles, American wool production continues to employ a blend of traditional techniques and modern technology. Each step, from washing and drying to spinning and weaving, is carefully managed to ensure the highest quality end products, showcasing the commitment of ranchers and artisans alike. Let's take a moment to look across the Pacific to New Zealand, where sheep farming has been pushed into the modern era with cutting-edge technology. Meet Brett Sanders, a New Zealand sheep farmer whose innovative use of drones has taken the ancient practice of shepherding to a new level. Sanders' family has been in sheep farming for generations, originally herding flocks on foot, then on horseback, and later with motorbikes. However, Brett saw an opportunity to make things even more efficient and decided to experiment with drones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. With a farm that spans over 27 kilometers of challenging terrain, he realized that drones could spot sheep in hard-to-reach areas, herding them with efficiency that traditional methods just couldn't match. While he still relies on trusty sheepdogs and his motorbike, the drones have become an invaluable tool. They help him locate and move his flock of 8,000 sheep, allowing him to work faster and more effectively. Sanders even customizes his drones with cameras and horns, guiding his sheep with precision. His innovative approach has not only inspired other farmers in New Zealand, but has also demonstrated that shepherding, one of the world's oldest professions, can seamlessly integrate with modern technology. The American rancher's approach to sheep management. Back in the U.S., ranchers faced their own set of unique challenges in managing large sheep populations. American ranches, particularly those in states like Texas, California, and Wyoming, operate on vast expanses of land, where effective management practices are crucial. While drones are yet to become common here, ranchers have developed tried-and-true techniques that keep operations running smoothly. One major aspect of sheep management in the U.S. is herd rotation. This technique involves regularly moving sheep to different grazing areas, allowing pastures to recover and preventing overgrazing. Ranchers also use natural and rotational grazing to ensure that the land remains fertile and that their sheep have access to nutrient-rich feed year-round. Furthermore, ranchers monitor herd health meticulously, as large-scale operations require careful attention to prevent disease outbreaks. Through vaccinations, regular checkups, and balanced diets, they maintain the well-being of their sheep, ensuring that both meat and wool production are of the highest quality. While most U.S. sheep are raised for meat, wool production still plays a notable role in the American sheep industry. The wool goes through a fascinating transformation, beginning with shearing. This is a skilled task where the wool is carefully removed from the sheep, usually once a year. From here, the wool undergoes a washing process to remove natural oils, dirt, and other impurities. This initial step is crucial, as it helps clean the wool without compromising its natural properties. After washing, the wool is dried and stretched to align the fibers, a process called carding, which helps separate and prepare the fibers for spinning. Next comes spinning, where the wool fibers are twisted to create yarn. This yarn can then be dyed or woven into fabric. Whether it's blankets, sweaters, or other textiles, wool's versatility and insulating properties make it a highly sought-after material. Merino wool especially is known for its softness and durability. This luxurious wool type is celebrated for its ability to regulate temperature, wick moisture, and remain odor-resistant, qualities that make it perfect for active wear and performance clothing. By the time American wool hits the market, it has traveled through multiple steps that combine both traditional craftsmanship and modern techniques. The sustainability of American sheep farming. Sheep farming in the U.S. is also an environmentally sustainable practice that contributes to the health of ecosystems. Sheep are natural grazers, meaning they help manage vegetation and reduce the risk of wildfires. By eating overgrown grass and plants, sheep help prevent fires in regions prone to dry seasons, making them vital to land management in places like California and the Southwest. Moreover, the wool produced by American sheep is a renewable resource, as sheep naturally regrow their fleece each year. Unlike synthetic fibers, wool is biodegradable, which means it decomposes without harming the environment. Wool production also has a lower carbon footprint compared to other textiles, especially when considering merino wool, which requires less energy and water to process. Despite the many successes in sheep farming, American ranchers face significant challenges that require resilience and adaptability. One of the biggest hurdles is the fluctuating demand for lamb and wool, which can be affected by economic conditions and shifts in consumer preferences. Additionally, ranchers contend with issues such as land costs, climate change, and competition from larger international markets. Predation is another ongoing concern. In regions where predators like coyotes, wolves, and mountain lions roam, ranchers must implement protective measures to safeguard their flocks. Techniques such as guard dogs, fencing, and even nighttime herd confinement help minimize losses. But these methods can be costly and labor-intensive. The future of sheep farming in the U.S. Looking ahead, the future of sheep farming in the U.S. appears promising, with new technologies gradually making their way into the industry. From GPS tracking to electronic tags that monitor sheep health, innovations are helping ranchers manage their flocks more efficiently. Additionally, as demand for sustainable and eco-friendly materials rises, wool is gaining renewed interest among consumers. Some ranchers are also exploring regenerative agriculture practices, which aim to improve soil health and biodiversity through grazing. By rotating grazing areas and adopting sustainable land management practices, sheep farmers contribute positively to the land, creating a system that benefits both the environment and the animals. In conclusion, managing 5.2 million sheep in the United States is no small feat. From large-scale meat production to the skilled craftsmanship behind wool production, American ranchers continue to adapt to changing demands and environmental challenges. Their dedication to sustainability, animal welfare, and innovation showcases the best of the agricultural spirit in the U.S.